Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will be exploring CodeSpy.ai, which is a powerful tool designed to detect AI generated code. So you might all be thinking, what is CodeSpy.ai? CodeSpy.ai uses advanced detection techniques to pinpoint which parts of your code was generated by AI. So whether you are working with Python, Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, or even PHP, CodeSpy can analyze your code and identify AI-generated segments with high accuracy. And just to be clear, CodeSpy does not rewrite your code or it doesn't fixes your code. Instead, it gives you the insight you need to spot potential issues faster, especially those introduced by different AI tools or AI models. An award-winning research from NYU Tandon School of Engineering reveals serious flaws in the code generated by popular AI tools like GitHub Copilot. The study found AI-generated code is often outdated, error-prone, which results in memory malfunctions. So, furthermore, going ahead, so if you are running a small business, like if you are running a small consulting business, like you have a team of around 1 to 4 developers, CodeSpy helps you maintain high quality while using AI assistants. So in the consultant plan, that is around $28 per month, you will get unlimited AI scans, AI detections in Java, C Sharp, Python, PHP, JavaScript, and you can also will also get data export as well. So, but if you are running a medium-sized company and you have a team of around 50 people, you can integrate CodeSpy AI into your QA process, and it offers unlimited AI scans, AI detection in Java, C Sharp, Python, PHP, JavaScript, but it also offers data export and it also offers API as well. But branded reports and white label reports are not included in the small business plan as well, and you can get it in around $70 per month. So engineering managers can oversee teams that use AI tools efficiently while still ensuring accountability and software quality. So now they also offer an enterprise plan. Like if you have a team of more than 50 people, then you can definitely contact them and you can get the enterprise plan as well. So in short, CodeSpy.ai allows you to detect AI generated code so you can even focus your review efforts where bugs are mostly likely to occur. So let's run a quick demo. So you can simply click on, if you haven't created your account on CodeSpy, you can just click on register. But if you have an account on CodeSpy, you can just click on login from here. So I have already created my account over here. So I will just log in with my email and password. So okay, so now you can see I've just performed some tests previously as well, so to see how efficiently CodeSpy works, and believe me, it works awesome. So now I will just run a new AI scan. So first of all, I have two code files written in Java. First code file contains the AI generated code. Now I will add that code over here and run the detection. So let me just add the code over here. So just give me a second. I'm just and let me add the Java word that is generated by AI over here. So I will add in the code over here. Like you can see, it's a very long code. Let's see, and this code is being generated by AI. Let's see if CodeSpy is able to detect that this is an AI generated code or not. So now you can see that we have this report is generated 1 second ago, and you can see that probability of AI is 98 out of 100, like mostly AI. And if I just click over here, so as you can see that CodeSpy clearly flags the AI generated section. Like you can see over here, the CodeSpy has clearly flags all the AI generated section, and you can see that this code contains a significant amount of AI. Our analysis suggests that there is a 98% chance that the content you entered was written by an AI algorithm. So that is correct, that I have this generated this code by AI. So that is very good. Like CodeSpy was clearly able to find out that this code was generated by AI, and it has highlighted those sections that are generated by AI. Like you can see that is awesome. So now I will just go back, and now I will uh, add in some more code. So now I will just add the code like that is being generated by human, that has been written by human, and we will see that if AI was able to find out that this code is being written by a human, not AI. Okay. So all this code is being written by a human. So let's see if if CodeSpy was able to find out that this code is written by a human. Okay, so now you can see that this report is generated 1 second ago, and like you can see that CodeSpy was able to find out that this code is primarily written by human. Like this code is primarily human written. Our analysis suggest that there is a 2% chance that the content you enter was written by an AI algorithm. So now you can see that it's very promising. Like the AI CodeSpy was able to find out that the code written by AI tools and the code written by human. So CodeSpy does not try to replace your coding assistants like Gemini or Cloud. It empowers developers and teams to use AI responsibly, giving them the tools to spot AI generated code, avoid bugs, and maintain the trust of their clients. So, like in my opinion, I would say CodeSpy can be a game changer for code quality and client satisfaction. So that's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out CodeSpy.ai to start detecting AI generated code in your projects. So that's all from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.